Hello there!
Hi.
We just went through a blizzard when we were going through Glen Shiel. However, it would not be so surprising without, but Franek, what's the date? Today's date? 6th of April. And this is what we've got.
No!
Woo! So, Franek recorded a video. And let's get into it.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Hello everybody and welcome to another video of Skip Jacker. I'm here with my dad.
Yeah, and believe us or not, we have April.
Yeah, but this happened.
This is April.
Yeah. What the heck? Where the heck is Spain?
Yeah. Feels like January.
Yeah.
Franek, what do you think about this weather?
I like it.
You like it? I like it too.
There's snow on the ground everywhere.
Oh,
It's living so hard that you can actually see it. Oh man, that is really scaring me. I guess that's gonna be a tornado. I'm freaking out right now.
don't freak out, Franek.
Freaking out!
We are nice and warm. Don't panic, don't panic. You will just take it easy. We'll just take it easy.
It's waving so hard to the wind that you can actually see the wind. We're going to Skye, but we're gonna have quite a few jobs before we get to Skye.
Yeah. And really, road conditions are just horrendous. What do you think, Franek?
I can see a car there. I think we need some lights too.
Yeah, we've seen a car upside down earlier on.
Yeah.
However, we are good so far.
Yeah. Yeah. It's so hard that I cannot remember when I went that wide and heck area. I cannot remember. I've been to Skye like 1,000 times before I made videos. And I don't know where we are. Do you know, Daddy,
Well,
where we are?
kind of. Oh, I know where we are. We are just going through Glen Shiel. And as you can see, our wipers are started to freeze and covered in snow. On Franek's side, it's better than on mine.
Yay! Left is better than right. So guys, I have a lot of days to do videos. Did I? From last Friday I had holidays for 2 weeks. So, is this my final week or what? Is the second? Am I gonna be back on Monday?
No.
On the closest Monday?
No, you have 2 weeks off ahead of you.
So on just Monday, the closest Monday, then so the first Monday will be my last week.
quite a bit.
Yes, I can make lots of videos now.
Yeah.
Yay!
Woo! Weather is improving a little bit. We
Yeah.
are on the low ground right now.
Yeah,
However,
yeah.
it is still winter.
It's not winter.
I know, but look outside. Look outside. Doesn't looks like a spring, like April.
You might be watching this on something else, but actually April, which one? April, I know it's April. Which day is it of April?
6th.
6th of April. We are recording this. I was 6 when I started making videos.
Yeah.
Now I'm nearly done 6. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Why does this keep happening to me? Why am I getting so tall in this couple of days and I'm this tall? I'm gonna be taller than you when I'm big.
Probably one day. But you still have a long way to go
I'm
before you'll be taller than me. Long way to go. Hello there. So we are coming to Skye Bridge now. And of course, Franek is operator today.
Yeah.
And it's snowing again. It's 6th of April.
And it's snow
And
day.
snowing big time.
Yeah.
So there is a Skye Bridge over there.
Yeah.
We are just climbing up.
Right, look at the book. Right, and look at the book. Up at the book. So here you can see this side, the left side, and now the right side.
Yeah. We have some blue sky on the right side.
Yeah.
Maybe we are heading over there. Maybe we'll get some good weather.
Yeah.
What do you think, Ryan?
I think we will. It is bad.
So, welcome on Isle of Skye.
Yeah.
Need to drop our trailer first.
We both go out. Alright, let's make it fun. We both go out.
Yeah, we will both go up.
We will both go out. Okay, guys. The next shot I'm gonna do is when we are outside. So, guys, we're out here. There's a boat over there. It's the side that we're on a couple of minutes ago. Or like a couple of seconds ago. I don't know. So, can't really to show you how Dad is going to do it. One, two. Oh. It's cold out here.
Oh,
It's cold.
you want to go inside?
Yeah.
It's cold. Ah.
Okay, guys, I'm back inside. Dad is not here yet. Ship's going so far away from Skye Beach. Here's my rocket sign. I've already showed him the feather. It is that.
Ah!
Hi, Daddy.
Hello. Oh, it's cold.
I'm not sitting.
Now I have to go out again and put this empty one from the lorry inside of these two.
I'm not carrying that. I'm going to sit and play games.
Okay, have fun. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Don't drive a lorry.
No, I won't. No. So, it's already snowy outside.
It's sunny,
Yeah.
beautiful sunshine. Now we are heading for Portree.
Yeah. Guys, we're about to go and have our break soon. We're going to have our break soon. We haven't got our break soon. I'm very tired. So I got up like in... What was the time when we got up?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. I'm tired. This is just a lovely view of these hills. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hills.
Yeah, so that's the view when we are heading for Portree between Bradford and Wisconsin. It looks awesome.
Yeah. I hope we have another chance to see this. It's lovely. It's actually lovely. I'm going to show you guys that we're going up this hill. I'm going to show you that we're going up this hill, how we're going up this hill.
It's a great view over there.
Yeah. So, we're going up.
Weather definitely improved. What do you think, Fanny?
Yes, it improved quite a lot. So over there we have some hills. We have winter. We have been there. But
And
we just went around it. Around the low hole. Is it a low or what? Is it?
it's an ocean, I think.
We went around the ocean.
And now
And we went up the hill.
we'll show you a nice view when we start to go down a hill. It's great.
Down the hill.
This is a tricky corner.
Yeah. So I wanted me to show you this.
We're going downhill and we can see Isle of Skye in front of us.
Yeah.
Been there. No, I've been there. Have you been with me over there on this island? No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we haven't made a video yet.
Yeah, but we didn't make a video back then. We were over there in our old Scania, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was good.
Yeah.
So we made it to Portree. Oh, here's Franek.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we are coming in Portree. Whoa. Franek's been very brave today and very helpful. So we are now in the capital of Isle of Skye, city of Portree, or rather town rather than city. What do you think, Frank?
City.
City?
Yeah. Big city.
It's not that big. It's like Fort William, I would say. It's a town, I would say. approaching our destination. There it is, on the right hand side. And it's snowing again, big time.
Yay!
Woo! Alright, we'll drop them down here.
Don't expect Valerie to go and spin through. Where's that in? Spins battery out.
As you can see, Franek is racing right now. Franek is in racing mode. Nie nadążyła biegu zmienić. Anyway, boys and girls, thanks for watching. We are just going to do our break and then head back down the road. We've got 2 more to do, but thanks for watching. And what do you want to say, Franek?
See you next video.
Yeah, see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Franek will give you a nice smile and wave. Bye.